Do you want to learn how to make a poll on Telegram? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. First, open up Telegram app on your Android or iPhone, and then click on this on the top left. Then create a new group. This feature, which is to make a poll, does not work in single chat. You need to have a group in Telegram. So I'm going to select someone to be in my group. Select someone to be in your group and then click on this on the bottom right, this enter button. Rename the group name. Now press on this check mark on the bottom right. Now your private group has been created. Now inside here you can make a poll. So next to this microphone icon, on the left of it, you've got this clip type icon, click on it. And then inside it, you've got the poll option. If you scroll to the right from here, you'll have this poll option, click on it. Now you can add the poll question like this. And in the options, you can add the answer. So add more options here like this. And below it, you can add 7 more options. So you can keep on adding like this. And it says that you can add 5 more after this. So it's basically 10 options that you can add in a poll. And below this, we have got settings. So this is anonymous voting. And if you want multiple answers, so let's say a user can select multiple answers from your options, you can do that. There's quiz mode, which is you can only enable one of these at a time. You can enable quiz mode or you can enable multiple answers. So for quiz mode, it's going to be one answer from your options. So they can only select one of them and it's going to be one correct answer. So let's say I select the A, the first one I selected, and this is going to be the correct one. So when someone clicks on our poll, it's going to act as a quiz. Let's just go for this, which is anonymous voting, and then click on create. Now our poll has been created here. And if I select one of these, it's going to act like this. And someone else in my group can also select one of these options and vote it on the poll. And that's it. This is how you can create or make a poll on Telegram. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.